You should build with Taylor Homes. The whole experience was great. They have a showroom you can go to and pick out all your colors and features with ease. When you initially get information from them, you get a base price list for each floor plan, and you don't have to keep each floor plan exactly as it is. You can move walls around and completely design it and make it exactly what you want and what exactly is going to be right for your family and your needs. It's just a wonderful company. They made us feel like family. The communication was amazing, the quality is amazing, and we couldn't be happier. Our experience with the design and construction team with Taylor Homes was phenomenal. We were able to draw our own floor plan, which I really loved doing. Every night I would sit down at the table with graph paper and draw different floor plans within our budget. And once my husband and I decided on the floor plan we wanted, we were able to give that to our project manager, and she submitted it to the people that do the floor plans. I can't remember what they're called. But they took our rough floor plan that we drew out and they made a blueprint from it, and the construction team was able to take that blueprint and build us our dream home. Taylor Homes stood out from other builders because they made us feel like we were one of their only customers. When I would call other builders, I would be put on hold, or I would never have a phone call returned to me. It was just kind of a hassle when trying to contact other builders. But with Taylor Homes, I had an immediate response, and it just felt like family from the beginning. The best part of our home building process was when they handed us the keys. Getting to see that process along the way, being able to have that communication with our supervisor, being able to just enjoy the whole process and the ease of going and picking out everything for our home. We've been in our new home for a year now, and if we had to do everything over again, we would choose Taylor Homes again in a heartbeat. We just absolutely love the quality of our home. We love the family feeling that we get with Taylor Homes. They really got to know us, and we really got to know them during the whole process, and it was just an amazing experience. We would absolutely recommend Taylor Homes to other families. We enjoyed our whole experience from beginning to end. There were some bumps in the road, but we got through them because of wonderful communication and a wonderful team. We have 2 adult children, and when the time comes for them to build a home, we are going to recommend Taylor Homes to them. One word that would describe our experience with Taylor Home would be family. So I think when a company is building a home for a family, then you need to feel like part of the family. And I think with our team that we had open communication. We met with them multiple times, and I just feel like we really got to know them and they got to know us. And so Taylor Homes is part of our family now.
Now you've got a home.